Hey, welcome to the Spread Hunter Daily Safari. The market's been very quiet for the past few days. The only stock that gave us a little excitement was Priceline. Dropped from a high of a little over 1900 to 1660 on Monday morning with earnings. But that stock, I've seen the options. I don't have any of them in front of me. The options are ridiculously expensive and very hard to trade with very wide markets. So if anybody had a position, long put, short call, short vertical, anything, obviously 13% move gives you a really, big profit margin. The only other stock that did anything like that was the big Amazon move last week when it jumped from just under 1,000 to over 1,100, 970 to 1,100, and we talked about the options there, where you could have made, $80 in a day on a $3 call. It's very rare, but it is happening now, and almost all the moves are directional here. So, to those who can wade in and have the staying power and the capacity to be long either puts or calls, but it's been mostly on the call side. This is really the only game in town right now. Tesla's been quiet. As I said, Amazon's been quiet, and the SPYs have been really quiet. We've been talking about this SPYs on and off for the past week or so, and they've just been grinding higher. I think they were up 40 cents today after being down 40 or 50 cents, but on a 2,000 point index, or in this case on the SPYs, you're just really not talking about that much. The only thing I can say is that if you can trade into Friday, let's look at the Friday options. There's the 59s for Friday. Those are already in the money, and the 60s are not that far away, so, I don't think the spread is as good of in a buy as the 60s themselves. I mean, this is a 13-cent option that could give you some real play in the next 2 days. Really, that's the only thing that I can see in the market right now, and that's the only thing that I'd be interested in doing is buying some of these 60s at the closing price, or maybe even a little bit lower if there's any wiggle tomorrow, and see if you can get something out of them. I mean, a point in the SPY tomorrow and your 60s will look like the 59s. 2 points and they'll look like the 58s. So you can see the risk reward is all stacked on your side. 10 of these is $130. Can get you $550. So that's really the only thing I see in the market right now. And, we'll take another peek at it tomorrow. Okay, see you later.